Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize WordPress footer section. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now here we can see my footer section is almost blank, and now let's see how to customize this footer section. So log in into your WordPress dashboard and then hover over on appearance, then click on widgets, and I'm going to add a calendar to my footer section. So I'm dragging this calendar and dropping it here, and I'm giving title calendar, save. And also I want to add meta inside of my footer section, so I'm dragging this and dropping it here and giving title meta. And also I want to add search box, so I'm dragging it here and if I reload my website, and here we can see calendar and meta and search box has been added inside of my footer section. And if you want to add some text inside of your footer, then drag this text and drop it your footer section and paste your text here, save. So this is how we can customize WordPress footer section. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.